Peace, Divines. Welcome to Montauk Avenue, and I welcome you all to my channel. And today I wanted to make a smoothie. And if you're new to the channel, welcome, and I look forward to you joining the Montauk Avenue family. And remember to like, share, and subscribe so you can be notified of more videos. And today I wanted to make a smoothie for what you see in the title, and I will be sure to leave the recipe in the description as well. So this recipe is definitely good for supporting the cleansing and detoxing of the liver. This is definitely a great smoothie that will leave you feeling revitalized and nourished and very well and healthy. Okay, so let's add the ingredients. And so today I am going to be using the following ingredients. I am going to be using my hemp seeds in water. And I love using hemp seeds and water a lot in my recipes. You could use coconut water if you would like. You can use your favorite non-dairy milk if you would like. I'm going to also be using some parsley as well. And I'm going to be using some cinnamon. I love cinnamon so much. And the next ingredient I'm going to use is some spinach. And you can definitely add a different green if you would like. Ideally, you would want to pick greens that support the cleansing of the liver. And I will give some suggestions in the description as well. Use some walnuts. And I am going to use some papaya and some green apples. And you can definitely use a substitution such as some banana if you would like. That would be for the papaya if you would like. Okay, so I'm going to add the water. And again, in the description, I will leave the measurements of everything that I am using. Then I'm going to add the spinach. I'm putting my hemp seed. I'm also going to be using some lemon. Okay, I'm going to add the lemon. And I'm going to add the walnuts. I'm going to add some cinnamon. That was a lot of cinnamon. I'm going to add the apples and the papaya. And you can decide if you want to leave the skin on your apples. For me, I leave the skin because it's not an issue for me. And you can also decide how much water you want to use, of course. This is your smoothie. This is your life. This is your wellness journey. So you will figure that out along the way on how you want your smoothie, how you want to adjust it. Okay, and now I'm going to blend this up. Okay, so I'm going to pour the smoothie now, and I definitely smell the cinnamon. The cinnamon definitely dominates because I poured a lot of cinnamon. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to pour it now, and you can see the consistency. Okay, and so this is our lovely liver cleansing, nourishing, revitalizing smoothie, and it's a beautiful lime green. Ooh. Okay, let's try it. And it's definitely a little warm because it was just blending. But it tastes really yummy to me, you know. And again, you can, if I used banana instead of the papaya, this would be even more sweet. You know, you have some sweetness from the apple and papaya, you know, but if you're looking for some type of sweetness to it, you can add banana, substitute some of the papaya for banana if you would like. So I hope you enjoy. Thank you for stopping at Montauk Avenue. And you know, I love my amazing divines, and I want you to remember to honor yourself just like you honor your temple, especially when you come here to Montauk Avenue. Okay, I'm gonna make sure that you are honoring yourself in your temple, and as always, continue to be true to yourself. Be well, be blessed. Peace, divines.